Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to zoom in on CapCut iPhone. For that you will have to launch your CapCut mobile application and then you need to tap on this new project. After that you will have to select the video in which you want to add the zoom in effect. As you can see over here that this is the video that I have selected. So you will have to tap on the video until you see this white frame around it. After that you are going to see this little keyframe icon, and as you can see over here that this keyframe is placed at the beginning of this video. After that you will have to drag it and you will have to select the position where you want to place the second keyframe. After selecting the position you will have to use your fingers and you will have to make the video zoom. Then you need to adjust it. You will have to adjust it as per your convenience. After that if I play it, you will see that the second keyframe is also placed on the top of this video. Then you just have to slide it again and then you will have to use your finger to zoom out and you will have to adjust the video. Then you will notice that a new keyframe is set on that position. So if I play it, you will see that there is a zoom effect and this is the zoom out effect. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.